Well, I just woke up this morning and last night it was gnarly. The icy roads, we almost wrecked. There was like 10 cars wrecked on the freeway, but as you can see, we got some icicles forming on the Forerunner. But on the Transit's looking quite majestic. We have a heater in it even, and she's frozen. Frozen. Look at that. That's a lot of ice. It's completely just layered over the van. Look, you can see there's air in there. I think that's water, actually. That's crazy. It is so cold. It's very cold out here. It's actually, you know what? It was way colder yesterday. It's not too bad. As you can see, we have the ice melting off the van currently. The driveway is a sheet of ice. Look at all the lines though. That looks pretty cool. Wow, it is windy. Oh, let's put the hood on. Woo! Where'd Penny go? Oh, Penny's out there adventuring and stuff, but she's not supposed to. It feels like there's quite a bit of traction on this though. Not bad. I'm gonna show you guys Whitney's car, where she's hiding. As you can see, there's Whitney's Subaru looking very majestic and in home at this this cold front we have in Washington right now. This is so slick. Oh man, I don't know how my dad made it down this. Look at this. Yeah, we get like traction and then no traction. Alright, well, we're going to this. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're going to the Subaru right now because we're getting ready to go to the gym. We gotta go warm this thing up. So I'll see you guys when we're over there. Alright, there's the car. We gotta make it down this hill without falling on our ass. Slick. Alright. Oh, it's cold. This is gonna be slick. Turning around right here, it's gonna be sketch. Oh, everything is so frozen. Oops. Okay. Now plug in our access port. Here it is. Voila. Look at that beautiful Legacy GT. Alright, here we go. Ooh. She is cold. She did not want to start. Now you guys making it back up. This is going to be a little sketch. Oh, she's cold. Very cold. Back from the gym, and we are going down into the shed right now, walking through this very slick sludge. When you turn the van on, van's over there looking so sweet. Alright, we gotta try and not fall while we're going down this slight little hill because we gotta get to the shed. Because I do not think this driveway is gonna be ready. Okay, I believe that this right here is the air mattress. Aha. It is. Alright, we got our stuff. There's the van looking all sweet. That thing looks so sweet. Oh my gosh, this stuff is heavy. Look how frozen the rocks are. It's cold. It's very cold. Still got some icicles left on the tire. So our hammock idea did not work. I'm too heavy. It worked for Whitney, not for me. So we're gonna see if this air mattress will fit in here. Alright, well, I believe it's a little too big for in here with everything we got going on, but you know what? Can still sleep on this sucker. So, for now, this is what we got. I need to resituate everything in here. Like, this air compressor is either too big or it needs to find a new home. So, I gotta figure that out. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. We're at a bit of an angle, so we might want to sleep facing that way, else we're going to be sleeping down slope. So, yeah, I don't know. But, right now we're just going to kind of kick it and just chill for a little bit. I don't know what we're going to do, because we're just at the house and we can't go down the driveway, which means we can't go anywhere. So, yeah. See you guys in a little bit. We deflated this thing completely because it's obviously just too big for what we got going on in here. So we're gonna go ahead and fold it back up. Picked up this little guy. Only $40, and it's got the built-in air pump. It's usually $70. It's on sale at Big 5 right now. So picked that sucker up. Also picked up a little trash can because we need one of those in here. So we're gonna go ahead and try and fold this thing back up. Get it put in the bag, and then we're gonna go ahead and test run this thing real quick and see how it fits in here before we go inside and go to bed, because I guess we have to work tomorrow. So yeah, let's just get this going real quick, and then we might sleep in it on Christmas Eve just to test it out. So that'd be tomorrow night, and upload this video on Christmas. So we'll see. But yeah, let's get this freaking, I hate rolling this stuff up. Well, it is time, you guys. It is Christmas Eve. We worked this morning in the pouring down rain. We cleaned this Jeep that had been sitting for 2.5 years in a lake. Like, I was wearing Vans. I made the mistake to wear Vans, which they're on the boot dry right now. That is the loud noise that was in the video. So sorry about that. But yeah, we got that knocked out. Lady was super happy, so I was glad to get that done for her in time. Like literally a day before she needed it. So we got that dialed in. We did pick up something for the van. So we got this sweet Fire TV Toshiba, Best Buy, only $110. Easy pickup. It's supposed to be real nice, so we'll be unboxing that in this video and using it tonight while we're sleeping in the van. We got some shop vac bags, so we don't have to worry about the vacuum leaking all over the freaking floor again. We did order a wall mount, an RV style wall mount for that TV in the van, so we'll be putting that in as soon as that comes in. Yeah, we're gonna go in the van right now. We gotta finish getting the reel fixed because the reel came off the wall today, so we had to drill all that out. We actually had to buy rivets, which I need to go grab those. I think they're in the room. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get this done, and I'll see you guys in the van. Bam. We had a little bit of water spillage. We'll try and clean it up as best we can, but got the reel all done up, all back up, all nice. So yeah, now we gotta start figuring out our bedding situation. The thing I love about this air mattress that I got is it actually tucks perfectly behind my driver's seat with a sleeping bag. We got a nice little cute trash can right there, you know, keeping it snazzy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the tripod, open up this TV, figure out where we're gonna set this thing on the ground for the night, because eventually, once that mount shows up on Wednesday, we'll get it up on the wall. But for now, we don't have the mount. I looked everywhere. It's Christmas Eve. Nothing was open. I looked Camping World, even though it's 70 miles away. I was like, you know what? I will drive that far for this, just for the video. But no, they're closed. you guys. Well, it's about 1 a.m. And I guess it's time for bed. So we got ourselves a pillow, blanket. We got that little heater running up there. It's not actually too bad in here. It don't feel too bad. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn our TV on. That we just picked up. Sitting on our Adams Polish's detailed buckets. Perfect setup so we can see above our feet. And I guess we're just gonna send it. And yes, I know I'm in my driveway, okay? But this is just a test run to see how this goes, so that when I'm out somewhere, obviously we're gonna need to figure out power solution, because obviously I'm plugged into the house right now. So I'm gonna need like an EcoFlow generator or something, but we'll find one of those, or some sort of heat source that is electrical. So if any of you guys know any heat sources that are good electrical and they have batteries built into them, please let me know down in the comments. Please let me know down in the comments, and I will have to check those out. So I would super appreciate that. But we're gonna go ahead and get comfy in bed and hunker down for the night. So let's go ahead and come up here. Disconnect our lights. These are motion. There we go. And these cargo lights should turn off here in a minute. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and hop on into bed. Oh, I think she needs a little bit of air. She's feeling pretty deflated. Alright, we're gonna have to put some air in this thing, but I'll see you guys once I'm laying down. Well, it's about 2 in the morning. Still haven't fallen asleep. It's getting colder in here for sure. The heater is not keeping up. We need to insulate this thing so bad, so might have to order some of that. But I gotta try to go to sleep, and we're just watching some Heavy D Sparks YouTube. So catch y'all's in the morning if I can even sleep. Alright. Good night. Alright. Time to get up. Well, we survived through the night. Our air mattress. Whoa. She's almost out of air. It's actually pretty cozy in here. It was a little cold last night, but that was to be expected. Let's plug in our lights. That's great. Mission success. Yeah. Our bed is pretty deflated, so I'm not sure what's going on when they're right there, but we did it. Need to figure out our heating solution. And I understand there's a lot of other things that still need to be figured out with this sleeping situation, but we'll get that figured out a little later down there. Right now, I'll go inside, probably go to bed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.